Video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Linear sidebar and manage issues. Start by opening Linear. As soon as it loads, turn your attention to the left sidebar. This is your command center, and it's organized to help you move quickly through your work. You'll see key sections here: Inbox, My Issues, Projects, and Views. We'll walk through each so you know what to expect and when to use them. Click Inbox first. This is where updates and notifications are collected, so you can catch up on what changed since you last checked in. It's ideal for reviewing new comments, status changes, and anything that needs your attention without digging through multiple screens. Next, head to My Issues. This focuses purely on the tasks assigned to you. It's perfect for planning your day, seeing what's active, and noticing anything that might be overdue. Use it as your personal dashboard to stay on track. Move on to Projects to see team projects. This view helps you understand broader priorities and how individual issues fit into larger initiatives. It's especially useful when you need context on why a task matters or to align with your teammates' work. Open Views to access custom task views. These are flexible filters that surface exactly what you need, like issues by priority, by team, or by label. If your workspace has saved views, use them to quickly jump to curated lists without rebuilding filters every time. Now click Issues to see all tasks across your workspace. This gives you the full picture, not just your assignments. At the top, you'll notice tabs to switch between active and backlog. Use active to focus on work that's underway or ready to start. Switch to backlog to review ideas, future work, or items waiting to be prioritized. Click any task to open its details. Here, review the essentials: status to understand progress, assignee to see who owns it, priority to gauge importance, and due date to track timing. This information helps you align on what to do next and spot blockers early. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top to find issues, projects, or views quickly. It's the fastest way to jump right where you need to be without navigating through multiple sections. Finally, when you're ready to add something new, press C to quickly create a new issue. This shortcut keeps your workflow smooth, helping you capture tasks the moment they come up. That's it. With the sidebar, tabs, details, search, and a quick create shortcut, you can navigate Linear confidently and stay focused on meaningful work.